I'm Derek with Enchanted Forest. We're a small family-owned theme park. I am third generation actually, and we are located in Turner, Oregon. We're only seasonal, open up about half the year-ish, and we have a lot of smaller rides, a bigger coaster, a log flume ride, a dark ride. But nonetheless, we have a lot of parts that need powder coating. And so therefore, we decided to upgrade. And here's our little journey about how that happened. So when we got our oven here, it was packaged up nice and tight. It's really secure. I can't say enough good things about how they shipped this product. When it got here, we used a pallet jack to better position and maneuver the oven around. After that, we removed the outer layer by removing the screws. We have a steep hill to negotiate out here, so that was probably the biggest headache in this whole thing. But with enough bodies, we were able to make it work. We installed a 2x4 on the downhill side to keep it from sliding off the pallet jack. Had to get a little creative there, but it all worked out okay. Used some straps to help get it up the hill. Many thanks to the crew at Amadeo's Dreamhouse Painting for being extra muscle for us, because there's no way me and the other two guys out here could have done that. We had to build another ramp just to get it in our shop. Once we got it in the shop, we were able to pull it off the pallet jack, get it onto the ground all by itself. Once it was actually on the ground and we had the covers off and it was off the pallet jack, it was actually really easy to maneuver. Just a little shimmying around, nothing I couldn't do with one other person to help me out. And in all honesty, I probably could have done it by myself, but it was not hard to move. Then we got it all opened up, the big reveal, and now that's where it lives now, in our happy little corner of the shop. Pretty spaces.
Yeah, that's nice.
Holy cow. Alright, sweet. Well, Jim.
Bake me.
Yeah, now it's your fun. Now it's your turn. For those of you on the fence about getting an oven, jumping to powder coating, we can't say enough good things about being able to do that in-house. We're not waiting on other people's time schedules. That happened a lot with powder coating. We'd have a lot of products, parts that we would need to get powder coated, and we'd be waiting on them. Not to mention now we can just do a lot more of it. It used to be not necessarily efficient cost-wise to send certain parts in, Now we can just powder coat anything and everything we want. So really it's opened up a whole new door for us for the quality of painting our products and keeping them longer lasting. Top to bottom, built incredibly well. Love working with the company. This thing has not been an issue since we got it. It's built stout. It's tough. Gets to temperature. Holds temperature. We can get a ton of stuff in here. And we have a lot of equipment to powder coat. So originally, we were on the fence about bringing powder coating in-house because of cost and other things like that, space, all these other sort of things. But after weighing it out, we decided to pull the trigger, and we've never been happier. We don't have to wait on a powder coating company's schedule. We don't have to weigh out whether it's going to be cost effective to powder coat something. We can just do it all in-house. And it used to not be that way. We had to wait on their schedule. Certain things just didn't make sense because it was going to cost too much money for the size of the part. Now, for inspections and stuff, we can powder coat so many different parts because we used to have to take the powder coating off to get said parts inspected. A big hassle. And now we can do it all in-house. Every year we have to get a lot of these parts for our roller coasters inspected. And you can't have powder coating or paint on them. So we're able to now, with a sandblaster setup, get all the paint off, powder coat it ourselves, and do anything we need in this oven. This oven's big enough to fit any ride part we have on our actual coasters or the logs on our log flume. We can powder coat just about anything we need in here, and we keep getting nothing but good results. So just wanted to give you a visual and show you inside this thing how spacious we got it. Door opens up real nice and easy, and plenty of space to work with. We've already baked a lot of big ticket items, you know, bigger items in here. Never had any problem with space, so plenty of space to work with in this oven. So we recently just did covers for a part in one of our rides. Most of our other parts are currently in our rides. So this is just something we started powder coating. Love the way they look. Love the way they turned out. Super good coating on there. Baked in there really nice. Again, love the oven. So to recap, big thanks to Built American for making such an awesome product and being so awesome and helpful with us. We've got nothing but good things to say about the company, the people that work for them, and the product they make. Couldn't be happier with this decision we made to go with Built American ovens.